What is a blizzard? Is it a severe snowstorm with high winds and low visibility? Is it a cold treat made with soft serve ice cream and customizable mix-ins? Or does it mean something more? To some, a blizzard is a bitter enemy. To others, it's the sweet highlight of their week. Opposing forces fear the blizzard's breathtaking speed, which sets them apart from a typical storm. Fans marvel at their ability to perfectly hit the spot after a long day. But to a select few, the blizzard name symbolizes something deeper. To these brave men and women, the blizzard means unity and passion. It means teamwork and skill. It means friends. It means family. And most of all, it means broomball. After winning Minnesota State at the lower levels, the Blizzard officially entered the mixer of A-level broomball in 23. Repeat Blaine League championships in the winter and spring propelled the DQ boys into next season with high hopes of becoming a true threat at the highest levels. Led by a culture of stingy defense and countering with a blisteringly fast attack, this team has proved they belong with the top names in the sport, taking powerhouses such as the Chiefs, CNL, and thrice MedX to extra time in league play and major tournaments. Though unfortunate overtimes may have dampened the Blizzard ascendance, they continue to fight back with goal after goal and save after save after save after save. Beyond simple tournament results, the Blizzard has entered franchise mode, expanding through a development team in Blaine and an impressive co-rec team finishing on the podium in Augsburg in its first year. The future is bright in Blizzy Nation, and broomball returns this October. So get ready. A storm is coming.
Let's go. Blizzard on 3. 1, 2, 3.